What is up, guys? Welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. How'd you guys like that introduction? Interesting, wasn't it? A little bit different, but definitely relevant to what we got going on. We're back at the bench. As you can see, we just finished up the Ford F100. That video is viewable. If you haven't watched that, go check that out. This truck turned out pretty gorgeous, guys. I'm pretty proud of it. It's probably one of, if not the best builds I've done lately, and I couldn't be more proud. After having such a long layoff and being able to pull off the look of this truck like I wanted it, I'm pretty happy. But anyway, we're back at the bench and there's no stopping us. So you guys know that I build mostly domestic classic cars and trucks, and I figured I needed something different, so we pulled out the Toyota Supra here. And technically it's not a JDM, but it's of JDM origin. And this would be the last generation of Supra that was based off the Celica. They called this the Celica Supra. And I have a soft spot for Japanese cars. Having owned a few Toyotas, including the one we have right now. I've owned a 76 Toyota Celica GT, liftback, a couple SR5 Corollas, as well as 2 Honda Accords, and I still own an 87 Nissan Pathfinder. So yeah, I've owned Japanese cars, and I like Japanese cars. I especially like Japanese sports cars. So, let me get a little closer up of this. We're going to be building this Toyota Supra. Now, some time ago, I did an unboxing of this kit. You could find the link to that video in the description if you want to check out the unboxing. And for an MPC kit, I was pretty surprised with how much detail is in this kit. So we are going to be doing this kit, and if you like JDM cars or Japanese sports cars, follow along with this build. Well guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Happy modeling.